We're here with our young engineer friends who are working on their Rube Goldberg machines. They're engineering with a lot of different objects and parts in order to make something happen. Here we have a team. Do you folks want to explain what you're working on, Owen and Mariah?
Yeah. I'm working on, so when we roll it onto there, that goes in there and down through here, and then how I'm going to make a cup that rolls it down, and then I yank the string, and then it makes it go into another plastic cup.
Cool. Well, that'll be fun to see if it works. Rowan has got something going on here. Tell us about your invention, Rowan.
I'm supposed to drop the ball on the seesaw, and then it's going to hit these cups to make the ball to go down and roll into the cup, which worked before.
Do you want to try it again and we'll see? Whoops, it rolled the other way. All right, success. Good job. You can make your own Rube Goldberg invention by coming into the library and checking out our Inventing MakerBox kit. Hope to see you soon. Bye.